Thank you very much. Igama lami ngingubonga Inkosi wakaKhanyile. Namhlanje ke sihamba nobaba omkhulu ohlonipheke kakhulu, udokotela uMncwangu, ophinde abe unobhala kazwelonke we-MK. Baba Nobhala, ngizizwa ngithokoze kakhulu ukuhlala nomuntu eNingizimu Afrika ono 9 pages we-CV. 9 pages. I-CV iyodwa 9 pages. Angikholwa ukuthi yami iyawuqeda 2 pages. Nobhala. Mhlawumbe Nobhala ungaqala nje kube ukubingelela ababukeli ingxoxo esihlala sibe nazo lezi interval athi first session, because siyaye sibe ne-first session kanje siyidedele mase sithi abantu abacommente ngemibuzo abayifisayo on the second session. The first session is more of an introductory session. Ubani udokotela ubaba uMncwangu, ufika kanjani kuthina ube ne-CV ena 9 pages? Mhlambe nje mongosithatha usibeke ukuthi konje udokotela ubaba uMncwangu ubani?
Angibingelele babukeli, ngibonge uKangwane nethuba ke lokuthi sithi ukudlana imlomo kancanyana namhlanje. Igama lami ke uBongani, elinye ke ubuhle bakhe umuntu olika-ke lithi handsome. uMncwangu isuka kudeke nempilo. Abantu esizalwe nezikhathi zethu, ngivela emakhaya endaweni yaseShowe eKingzejwayo. Inkaba yami nje yasala lapho. Sengihambe indawo eziningi, umuntu ke akha amathuba empilo, akhela nabantwana nokuthi nabo babe nekusasa elihle. Kodwa nje ngisuka endaweni esingathi nje humble beginnings. Ngoba insizwe yakhula ilusa, ngihlale kakhulu ngehlathini, nami izinto eziningi mangilanda ngithatha izilwane kunama lessons anzima, political lessons, business lessons, kunama theological lessons agcwele nje izilwaneni esingayifunda. So ngiyathokoza nje tholela ithuba ukuthi ngizobingelela ababukeli besixoxa ukuthi ke ngiyubani.
Kujabula mina ngicathi mase sivala nje sesiqeda ngoba ngeke sibe bade kakhulu. Ngicelile sini namhlanje ezilwane sengalizwa idube. Ngayizwa impaka. Bese sivala sovala ngesimane noma esisodwana. Mhlambe abaningi bazohamba balibona idumela lakho usunobhala kazwelonke womkhonto wesizwe. Cathi abangazi umkhonto wesizwe is the official opposition in South Africa, is a 2-year-old party, will be finishing the second anniversary, the second year on December 16. We are represented in national parliament, represented in different legislatures. You are the Secretary General of that organization. Umuntu engafisa ukwazi ukuthi ubani udokotela uMncwangu usukaphi, sengike ngezona nokuthi kanti wagraduate naseVets, wakwafunda nakhona, kodwa before ufike khona wafikaphi, ngoba nami ngangalanyathela lapha ko Vets, sengenza amanye ama qualifications.
No, ngiyathokoza uKangwane. Cha, iqale nje khona lapha eKingzejwayo, amabanga amancane eMpumazi, primary koNtenjane, ayakomkuze, ayakonzuza secondary school, ngagcina ke ngithathe eMlazi high school. Kuthe ke ngo-1981, 82 ngabe ke sengiyoregister ke ongoye. Imali zingekho ngibani. Bengaye ngisebenze ngiphinde ngifunde ngisebenze. So ke basuka khona izibhelu ngolimi lweni komthemba izibhelu kana ngama uprisings,
Unrest.
politically motivated, umuntu very social activist at that age. Sithema sise University of Zealand ke bakhona izibhelu umuntu kwafuneka hlehle futhi aqala phansi akhona. Kodwa ke agcina ithole ke ithuba ukuthi ke ngisebenze kwi-Department of Justice.
Okay.
Ngangenza ke parliamentary law ongoye egcine ngaphelanga ukuthi imali bezingekho ama-special asabona. After that ke ngithoma sengisebenzile ngase ngiya eKwaSabelwana undergrad yami ngaqala ngayiqeda eMichigan State.
Okay.
USA. After business administration, another 4 years from
So from Mongoye to USA.
yes, kodwa ngaqala ngaba ne-break yokusebenza ukuthi manje
Sebenza bingekho.
ngifundisa.
And kudala bekujwayelekile abangazi njalo, kudala bekujwayelekile ukuthi uthi ufunda ubusebenza, into engasenzeki njalo nobhala, because sesithanda ukuba nesizwe esamavili.
Sengithokoza kakhulu. Ngesikhathi ngenza-ke i-4-year program yami i-business administration, bengisebenza nakhona ingekho ibhasari, nga-raise imali yokuhamba. Ngase ngifika khona-ke ngase ngenza imisebenzi ewu-3. Ngifike ngibe u-campus driver, kube khona i-truck eliklinayo i-campus kusetshenzwe bese ngiba u-supervisor base-library. Ngisebenze ama-evening hours mhlambe from 7 ngize ngiqede ngo-10 ebusuku. Bese-ke ngama-weekends ngiye kuma-construction sites ngisebenze khona shawudala. That's how I financed i-first degree yami ngise-US. Ngakwazi ukuqeda in 4 years.
On record time.
Yeah, kodwa in 4 years, yes. In fact, bengenayo imali yokubuya njalo ngisekhaya. Bengifike ngama-winter season, ama-winter ngalena-ke November, December, January.
Yes.
Unlike ngithatha leso sikhathi ngenza amanye ama-modules, ngenza ne-theology esenjani kuye ngihlala ama-modules. So i-theology-ke ngagcina ngiseleke mhlambe nama-terms awu-2 ukuthi ngiyadinge nayo 3 years wakhona. Kodwa futhi ngiyasebenza njengomfundisi as you know today.
Yes.
So-ke ngase ngiqeda lelo program. Uma ngibuya-ke into yayimnandi, angibuyanga ngizofuna imisebenzi yona ekufuna mina i-advantage.
Headhunting.
Sengibuya ngapha-ke manje futhi i-demand inkulu kakhulu. Hayi ngabuya-ke ngazosebenza kanti vele ngangine-interest i-activism, ngivele ngiyi-activist.
Yes.
Kodwa kune-danger kakhulu-ke ngey'khathi zethu ngoba uma qhamuka ne-political activism kumaba and limaleka ngezikhathi ama-party i-political education ne-maturity ingakabikho. Uma wena uyilela qembu ufuna ukushaya nawe mangekho ngikushaya. So leyo nto-ke igcine yenza ukuthi umuntu abe strong kakhulu kwi-trade unionism. So njengoba ngibuyela kwi-platform ye-trade unionism late 80s early 90s ngagcina-ke ngu-secretary general. Ngaleso sikhathi besithi general secretary. So wasekushintsha usuba u-secretary general.
So le nto kade yokubhala iyakulandela.
Ukuchitha ipeni ngiqondise irula kusegazini. In fact ngaleso sikhathi umongameli weswe ophethe ngamanye uRamaphosa wayephethe iNOM.
Ekwinum. Yes. Le yabasebenzi emayini.
Iyagcina affiliate-ke nekhwasana. So kungena nje obabumbazima bonke kusaphi lapho sisegijima unionism. Mina-ke ngiku-commercial ne-industrial space.
Okay.
Money, bona bebe-money.
Okay.
So-ke sayiphushake lapho-ke i-agenda ye-activism, i-platform ye-trade unionism, kodwa ngibe ngiyimember yakwa-ANC.
Ngalesa sikhathi
ukuze kwashintsha manje. Bengilokhu ngiyona kwaseshintsha ngawo umkhono. So yasiphusha-ke umsebenzi-ke, so ibisegazini into yokulwela amalungelo omuntu. Ngize ngabhala-ke ne-article ngo-1995 ekhuluma nge-value enikezwa abantu abaku-trade unionism, nokuthi-ke abantu ngaleso sikhathi abamnyama benelungelo lokuthi bathole ama-participation rights, bathole i-shareholding.
Yes.
Just ama-employees ngayilwela kakhulu ngaze ngagcina-ke ngibhale-ke nama-articles afika nakwi-Industrial Council yey'nsimbi eyayibizwa kuthiwa-ke i-SIPSA. Yes. So umuntu-ke wasebenza-ke lase libonakala-ke igalela aliphethe kuleso sikhathi. So agcina-ke ngisebenzile and then wasifuneke kufika isikhathi-ke lapho akangene phela nakuma-boardroom.
Yes.
Agcina-ke ngingene-ke kuma-boardroom asengenza-ke ne-postgraduate in management e-vet. Mase ngilapha futhi-ke ngasusa futhi lokho activism. Ngagcina-ke ngiba-ke i-board member yase-vet.
The first one.
Yeah.
The first black.
Yes. So-ke ngasebenza-ke lapho ngase ngenza ne-Master of Business Administration. Ngisebenza at the same time-ke la iy'nkampani-ke sezinama-opportunities ngaleso sikhathi kufuneka si-limited thina bebala abakwazi ukungena ku-space decision making nokushaya strategy. Hayi ngase ngikwazi ukufinyelela khona, hayi ngasebenza-ke, hayi ngithe uma ngiphusha ngase ngingena-ke kwiy'nkampani okuthiwa-ke i-Ingersoll Rand, an American company, kodwa ibigcwele umhlaba wonke, 55,000 abantu abasebenza kuyona, $5 billion ngaleso sikhathi. You're talking about 1992, 93.
Okay.
Sisasebenza-ke lapho, hhayi ngayiphusha. Nganikezwa-ke ama-deliverables. Kwathiwa-ke in 3 years, kufanele ku-achieve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sasinama-unions kawu-6. I-far right, kwakuyi-Eastern style, kumele
Okay.
amabhunu.
Yes.
Bonke labasebenzi bagcwele kampani. And then-ke far left, kwakuyi-NUMSA, associated with COSATU.
COSATU.
It was, yes, an alliance in ne-ANC.
ANC.
So in the middle, kukhona namanye-ke. Every single year, kuba khona itoy nama-uprising, kushona abantu.
Every year.
Because yes, ma-ideologies, ma-political ideologies bephambana. Masengilethwa kuthiwa given i-background yakho social activism, ne-background onayo, understand important politics, awuzosilekelela. Ngasengena-ke as a director at age 28, angena-ke only first director emnyama eyangena lapho. Ingakafiki into ezobe
In fact ngiyafunda la nobhala.
Ufunda
Yabona wasikhuluma la ngifunda la
Ufunda.
ithi la njengoba ngibona ngigugula nje ngigugula prior to his political role he was a seasoned corporate executive with over 35 years of experience. His experience includes serving as a CEO of Sanlam Healthcare and working with emergency services.
Yes.
He holds a doctorate through his specific field that is widely reported.
Yes.
Also an academic in DUT, a PhD, UNISA, industrial engineering. I think you can Google doctor those who are interested. Dr. Mngwango, the Secretary General of Umkhonto Wesizwe, the SG of Umkhonto Wesizwe. You can Google it. It's all here.
Yeah. So
Backed up also here.
To me,
So over 35 years.
The executive, like,
Executive.
It's not a total experience. Total experience, you're looking at 48 years. Total experience. But the executive of 48, 35, basically good decision making at the boardroom, customer decisions, running companies. Privilege isn't ngaba nayo ngaphatha industrial corporates, ngaphatha naku health space, on a care, makhona lapho medical aid space of Bonitas, med scheme, managing director and CEO. Kuzo zonke lezi. Kodwa ngenxa ukuthi ukhuluma background ehamba uyayuthanda ukuthi ngathi ungaba omunye kwabantu
yes.
Ukuphela amahlombe ngoba ke engicabanga ukuthi nomphathi wethu nomsunguli wenhlangano Umkhonto Wesizwe siyafunda ama-lessons amaningi humility kodwa ube decisive uma wenza izinto.
No, I think it's very interesting. Uthini nobhala uma uzokhuluma mhlambe ukhulume nge-experience yakwi boardroom, your 35-year experience as an executive and the overall 48 years experience when it comes to Umkhonto Wesizwe. Like how is it beneficial? Is it does it count? Or Umkhonto Wesizwe might be a different animal from being an executive and a CEO, because also mangibuka position ya SG, it might have some elements of being a CEO. I don't know.
Yeah, no, umbuzo omuhle lo. In fact, uma ubheka i-constitution yomkhonto wesizwe, u-Secretary General, i-Chief Executive Officer, uma ungathatha umkhonto wesizwe ubike njenge-corporate structure noma i-organization, not a political party, CEO van, even the constitution confirms it, which means again, nge-accounting officer, anything eyenzeka right, I have to account. Anything eyenzeka wrong, I have to account. So you see vele umkhonto wesizwe. Uma uthatha ke le background over 35 years of experience, izosiza kuphika. Ukhumbule ke mandate yethu ithi kufuneka sebe ne-landslide victory 2026-27 ma-local elections.
Yes.
But the bigger mandate for 2029 kufuneka si-achieve i-2/3 majority. I-2/3 majority ke izosizakala kanjani ke kule background ne-expertise yayo. Skilled kakhulu kuma-negotiations where you call ama-mergers and acquisitions. Skilled kakhulu uma kusuka ekutheni uthatha i-growth ne-repositioning yama-organizations. So ama-principles aya-applyeka, it does not matter which come with the industry.
Yes.
Kodwa nje i-repositioning njengamanje, which we are commencing with Umkhonto Wesizwe, redirecting organization. and then making sure to optimize ama-skill set esinawo abantu bahlala ey'ndaweni ezibafanele bangahambe bechwanuka yonke indawo iyasebenza na that's corporate background.
Yes.
Kusithathu lento kuthiwa corporatization sikhule masinyane siyinhlangano siwumbutho and-ke ukubizwa ne-experience ye-corporate environment isiyakwazi ukuthi bese sifaka ama-systems processes ukuze yonke into i-structure sithi talk to the strategy.
Exactly.
Now i-strategy we are redefining it now ngoba sisithola-ke over 18 months sesibona okay singene esigijima sometimes ukukhula fast kuba unsustainable kodwa ma une-strategy ne-direction nama-structures systems and processes achazeke kahle uyakwazi ukuyi-manage iba manageable.
Yes.
It was just beyond or just unbelievable. So njengamanje-ke we are taking off to a different level last corporatizer khona so by institution nathi senze sure ukuthi governance right, compliance right, sibeka abantu aba-right, sithi masithanda sithi square pegs in square square holes, round holes in round pegs. So singabi ne-mismatch i-role and where abantu bakhona bane-will to do better for umkhondo, then kufanele siba-capacitate, sibanikeze, siba-encourage ukuze bakwazi ukuperforma duties. Kodwa nje engakutshela khona umkhondo wesizwe is going up. Uma bengikhuluma ngey'ndiza uyazi lona ukugibela ibhanoyi yonke indiza i-flight iba ne-flight number. Njengamanje flight number yethu ithi LGE.
Yes.
Ibisithi-ke 26-27 local government elections 26-27 and then mase siyishaye ngefosho 26 bese iyashintsha siyathi offer 11 i-altitude soba sesishaya manje sesiya ku-2029 leyo kuzoba isithi-ke i-general elections so MKGLE besithi-ke yona 0.67 to 9 ku-0.67 2/3
majority.
Yes. 0.67 nje wazi ukuthi 2029 flight
Ngaqala ukuzwa the academization of local government election wayibeka yavele yayiformula i-campaign yayiformula
0.67 29 yeah 2/3 na 0.29 that's a flight
if mhlawumbe ngizokhuluma nje njengolunga lomphakathi ngiyibuzele nobhala yini ehlukile ngomkhondo kunamanye amaqembu. Ngifuna ukuzwa kuwena kusuka kuwena unobhala weqembu yini ehlukile yini ezokwenza ukuthi singabi abomfulo yelo noma ngiba abomfulo obovu uke ngakuzwa ukuthi umfula red. Yes. Bazojoyina kanjani lokhu njana why kumele bajoyine isesesothi qaphu because this is the first session introduction. Asikhuluma indaba eziningi siyabuya meet and greet siyabuya sesihlala kahle sesinaba in a proper way. Ama questions ngaphansi niyafaka ama questions enifisa ukwazi ubaba udokotela uMncwango ukuthi what questions should we like ask when we sit down. So yini nje briefly because I think we have less than 7. Okay
no mbuzo omuhle lo ngwane khona into kuthiwa i-Me Too strategy ama political parties or movements primarily amnyama eSouth Africa aqhamuke asungulwa ngoba kukhona into abangaseswani nayo lapho bekhona. Kusho ukuthi abawu-food core engenayo i-direction engenayo i-strategy kodwa kuwukuthi ngenxa yokuthi baphusha ama-emotions entukuthelo abazwananga bese bephumelela beqinisekana. So ama-Me Too lana ama-political organizations akakhulukazi amnyama asiyona-ke thina Me Too thina si-intentional strategic movement yokukhuluma umuntu omnyama at the core yokukhuluma umuntu omnyama. One, sikhuluma i-2/3 majority ngoba kufanele siwushintshe umthethosisekelo esiphethwe ngawo. Uma ubheka lento umthethosisekelo esiphethwe phansi kwaso abantu aba-influencer abantu abangaphili ngaphansi kwawo abase-West kodwa babeka ama-ground rules acindezele thina ufuna siphile ngawo esinga-afford ukuphila ngawo kodwa bona they don't have to account long term.
Yes.
So ithi-ke lento thina-ke sifuna ukushintsha umthethosisekelo bese sibuyele emasisweni. Ithi into yethu kufuneka amakhosi ondaba ezethu zilo kuyibona abalawula into ekuthiwa i-state ngoba kukhona umahluko phakathi kwe-government ne-state. Khumbuleke lokho i-government implementing agent which means any njengamanje bayibiza nge-GNU thina-ke siwumkhonto wesizwe uma soba implementing agent kuzofanele si-implemente izinto ezifunwa ama-landlords amakhosi ondlunkulu bonke abaphathi beso, okusho ukuthi i-state kuzofuneka sibe nama-deliverables alawulwa abanikazi beso basefuna umhlaba. So akubona wonke-ke i-organization ye-politics ezokhuluma i-language ya-two-thirds majority. Sihluka-ke lapho. Number 2, sithi umhlaba ukubuya kwawo awuphathwa abanikazi. So i-landlordship ekwanelisemakhosini ayikho ko-president. Uma ngizokunikeza nje isithombe ngwane sike saxoxa nobaba uNomalanga umongameli wesizwe ukuthi constitution yethu mase senze review sifike sibeke izilo i-royalty phezulu bese kulandela-ke amakhosi ahamba nesilo ebekuyimali umongameli bekuyimali usathina-ke i-national officials bese kusa-ke ne-national high command. So ima kanjalo sivumelana-ke nobaba uNomalanga ukuthi amanikazi bomhlaba bona phezulu. So mase siyenze review so ehlukile ukuthola i-political organization
enje no ayikho.
3, sikhulelwa kule nto kuthiwa i-pan-Africanism, ne-patriotism, ne-equality, one of our values, which means iso lethu libuka beyond umuntu ohluphekayo nomuntu oswele nomuntu omnyama South Africa. Anyone, my neighboring countries, SADC, all the way up to Morocco. Ngiyakwazi lapho bantu ukuthi babuke ngeso lokuthi abakithi bese kuphela ke sengaba unegotiate no-facilitate ama-negotiations ukuthi free trade yenzeke kanjani. Ayikho political organization ozothola ngasapha umkhonto wesizwe kuphela. 4, uma ubheka umkhonto wesizwe i-posture yawo ithi asenze sonke sibe progressive. Ngamanye amazwi noma ngabe ufake isikibha esiyellow noma sibomvu, inhloso ithi kangamalala asingeneni sonke ukuze siya phambili sibe two-thirds majority. So awuchilizwa ngokufaka isikibha esibomvu noma esiyellow, cha, siyakufuna kodwa joyina wena i-direction esilidwa umkhonto wesizwe. 5, bese kuthalwa bakuthiwa ama-social activities noma organizations maningi lawo sifuna ukuthi simobilize nawo ukuze sikwazi uku-achieve two-thirds majority. Ayikho-ke enye iphathi okuyithole noma i-political movement South Africa enalokho. That's how we differ. So we are not a Me Too political movement. We are a unique, differentiated umkhonto wesizwe party.
Yazi ngavele ngivote kwathi angivote no Bongozi Khanyile in conversation with Dr. Mncwango, the Secretary General of Umkhonto Wesizwe, unobhala Umkhonto Wesizwe. This is the first part, the first episode of engagement. We're coming for the fully fleshed. Ngaphansi sicela imibuzo, sicela ama comments. Bye bye. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga.